Hello everyone, this is Judea Bee Farm. So we are here once again to do an inspection in my first apiary. The last video I did was in Ogun State. This is Umuahia, my hometown, where I have my first apiary. So we are now going to do an inspection. These are my team. This is my wife, my lovely wife. Mama from the always be with me. This is my cousin Chidera. He's joining us for the first time. And the camera woman. The camera girl. Your hand is not blocking this thing. Nah, it's not. So, let's go. You can see the bees. Bring my knife. Nice. Right here. Okay, right here. Let's go. We're moving to the bee. Favorite beekeeper right here. Get me. Let's go, bro. Very nice. You are going to get. You are the beekeeper. Yeah, I'm the beekeeper now. Am I not the beekeeper? Hey. Easy. Sorry, Mom. Oh, there the bees at. I need that knife. Yes, sir. There you are, sir. The knife of justice.
Yeah, you're not okay.
You we have the bee side right now, though. Then the bee. The bees. You have to come closer.
I'm coming close.
This one there. The money you use as beekeeper going. Man, you're going inside forest, some money you get.
Inside the forest, some money.
All money. They find your one, come on. I have to get them. So, this is these are the ladies. So I'm first of all going to give them smoke. It's actually beekeeper. Yeah. They are here to give them smokes. Why are they giving them smoke? You have to give them smoke for them to be docile, for them to be confused. Because they work with their smell called pheromone, alarm pheromone. So with the smoke, it will disorganize them. Because without the smoke, they will attack, serious attack. Because all of them has gone inside. Yeah, can see them at the back of the building. Yeah, that's where they are running to. At the back of the building right now. Then bees. So that's the essence of the smoke. If you don't smoke them, you can't do anything. Nah.
That's the back of the building.
They are gradually coming out too. So
Accident. They all around her like they looking for her or something. Yeah.
Food, the nice food. So I'm about to open up the roof. Huzzy. So it is time. Let's see what's inside. Woo!
Can I hold it?
Okay. Your mama be right here.
Okay, Mama B.
can see black ants here.
This thing is tight.
Because they have sealed it with what we call propolis.
Propolis. You say propolis? Someone say propolis?
Propolis.
Yo, them babies, them babies, call them honeybees. Call them honeybees.
Go closer.
Baby season.
Easy. Keep puffing now. But just take it easy. You're rushing it. Bees. I never knew I came here with a hype man.
Yeah, I'll come to Umuahia for some bee treatment. You get me?
How did this termites get up to this place? Wrong. So it's time to open it up to see how the friends are.
I love. My first time being around Beehive, you get me? Never been where to train bees. I hate bees, but now I'm loving bees.
I can see termites. I don't know what they came here to do.
I came to feed them bees, but bees feed them.
It's time to take away this box from here.
Yeah. They're hovering around me like.
You see, they've sealed all these frames with their propolis. Because it's been a while I came here.
Okay, that's the propolis, yeah? Propolis. What's the propolis? Propolis. You fill it up with propolis. Without that propolis.
That's why you come with your hive too.
Yeah,
very
hive
important.
too. That's the hive too, yeah? That's the hive too right there. The funny part is that I only see these things in movies, but now I'm like witnessing in real life. Okay. Yeah, that's the honey. That's the honey right there.
No, don't honey yet. These are just the brood.
Oh, the brood.
Yes.
The brood. Them bees.
These are the honeybees.
Wow. These are just the brood. But there's a little honey here. It's a capped honey.
I said that
Same
honey.
here.
There's the honey.
This is capped. But the brood, that's the eggs. And I can see a cell. It is a queen cell.
The queen cell, yeah?
Yeah.
The queen. Aye. For them queens.
So
They love their
this
queens.
wrong way. Okay, let me leave this on the house egg. I'll start from the other side.
Egg. I don't mind. Leave it first.
I have to start from the other side. Here's the knife. Oh.
Let me hide my legs. We're smoking them. Yeah. Got this one on my heat right now. It's on my heat right now. Okay.
I'll get to
They're
it.
making this whole thing funny.
Damn, this is like 4 in 1. Get me. Damn. That one is all gone.
There's nothing here.
There's nothing there. All gone. Yeah, I see. Yeah, look at them bees. Look at them bees. Yeah. Them bees are here. Dropping up to the laps. They don't want to die. Like I do not want to die. You don't want to die. You get me? Yeah. Oh, Propolis. There is the bee. There is the honey.
I think there is honey here.
Yeah.
Just more.
Just the little honey. But there's honey. There's honey around here. Honey. Woo. Honey, man. I miss some bees. Yeah, we're going back into the slot. You get me? Back into them slots. Woo. There you go, love. See ya.
Should just put out.
Yeah, smoke out.
So bring this in. This is propolis. Oh, it's a fallen inside. This is propolis. It's a substance they get from trees. They use it to gum to seal their hive.
To seal the hive, yeah?
If there's any space, they use it. That's what they use to seal it up.
So like, how many bees are in here? Like a million?
Not a million, they are about up to thousands.
Thousands, yeah? These are only females?
Females majority, but they are drones. The ones that you call drones, the female bees. Sorry, the male bees.
The male bees, they're called drones. Drones. Okay.
They don't produce honey.
Yeah, I know they don't produce honey. I need the female they produce honey.
I can see many queen cells here. This is a queen cell.
That's a queen cell. Aye.
Which means it's time for me to add a super box. This is a queen cell. Because what they do, okay, they will swarm once they produce another queen. It will take part of the half of the hive and they move out.
Half of the hive.
So that's why it's good to check. In a situation like this, you add super for them to have more space. Oh.
This is the queen's what?
That's the queen cell.
The queen cell.
That's bigger.
Yeah, very big. Queen cell very big. Yeah, you see that.
It's according to that.
This man look at joy. I just want to stink person.
Oh,
It's falling, man. How are you falling?
hold that pump. Let me hold this pump.
It's okay. Oh my God, look at them nowadays. Them bees. Which bee is this? Which particular bee is this? This honeybee.
Let me see. It's a bee now.
Like, which one is this?
That's a female worker bee.
Worker bee. You know there are different types of bees.
Yeah.
Okay.
There are different types of bees, but honeybee is the major one we concentrate on.
Okay. Oh, I'm getting high right now. I am honey. They're looking for me.
Check out the video.
Yeah, we video. I got you. Yeah, Snapchat gonna hear
It's capped, but not fully capped.
Yeah, not
you can
fully
see all
capped.
these areas.
Yeah.
You can see this side also. Not fully capped.
How many months are you taking to produce honey?
It depends. It depends on the food they have around them.
Okay. I think I'm liking bee session. Yeah. I'm loving the bee sessions. I think they're at the back of the house. They're at the back of the house. They don't want to go to the front. They're at the back. Just look at them. Damn. There's a lot of bees, man.
Let me do your back.
They like me. Yeah, they love me.
This friend is giving me issue to bring out.
Oh.
Wait.
Come on.
There's honey in this too.
A lot of honey.
Capped honey, but you're supposed to get down at least 70 to 80% capped.
So you put it back.
Yeah, put it back.
Alright. Put it on this side. So before they remove the honey, it's supposed to be like 70% capped, but
70 to
it's not
80%.
capped.
At
Yeah.
least this capping should get to this point.
Alright. Before harvesting, yeah?
Yeah.
Before harvesting.
But I might still harvest.
No, you don't want to harvest.
Not really.
Yeah.
I still harvest.
Sometimes you use also. So that's how it goes.
I will give them super, but I have to remove them from this area and relocate them. Oh, there's an issue here now.
Broken.
Yes. Robbers falling. That's a big issue. Well, I have to do something about it. That's why I said I have to look at this. And I've not even started. I need to check all these frames. There's one inside. I have to harvest, but not today. Okay. Because I will have to follow me to this place. You have to follow me to this place. You have to be careful because one of the legs is broken.
Let's just stick it. Those ones. Yeah. Come on.
Get them now. Don't shoot them.
I'm not shooting them. Yeah, shooting me. Because it's picking on my body. They already love me.
There's cross-comb in here and it's damaging the comb and trying to spill the honey.
A lot of honey here.
Look at this, the queen has gone out from here. They must have swarmed. Yes.
There's no bee in here.
Nah.
She's gone. She's gone. It's empty. Here, she's gone. But it's the queen cell, yeah?
Yeah.
Queen cell. She's gone. I like to see the queen.
Because it's difficult for you to see the queen.
Always difficult, yeah? Them all outside here.
There's a cross comb here.
There's bee, there's honey.
A lot of honey. That's the honey.
You want to leak?
Yeah.
You want to remove your hood and leak?
I did not.
I need to lift it up.
Then we just come out.
But if I lift it, this one is already broken.
Okay.
Today I don't lift.
Okay. So you just pushing it to the side.
Honey there. There. They are packing them.
We don't.
I'm
You have to come and above them. Once you put the comes up, you come. Yes. As it is now, you can't go further. Because of the too much cross combing. So
And the leg is shaking.
And the leg is shaking. So you have to come back.
Tie shit.
Better be I'll be like this where bees are ski. I don't believe it too. Because
Packing bee on
packing bee on my hands. There you go, love.
They are praying. They don't remember your leg.
No, I'm hiding my leg.
Under the leaves.
Under the leaves. I try my best to hide them under the leaves. I'm trying to look for that thing. This one has issue.
So is that an issue?
It has issue. Look at it.
The body
No,
is
I want
okay.
to put this one. I remove one frame. Let me just put it like that.
Leave me alone.
10 frames. Real.
Let me smoke here. So I'm going to cover them now. Check on it. Turn that on.
Maybe this one.
But I have to go and get another thing to replace it.
Now, today.
I'm supposed to go and get one on the other side. Look at the bag. Turn around. Can you imagine?
There's so much.
You have to smoke this while you leave that bag.
What happened?
They love me.
Yo.
The colony of these bees has increased. They've increased.
You are the bee man.
Super.
I'm the
Actually,
candy man.
Yes, the beekeeper.
So our smoker.
Yeah, that's a smoker. Our mama in charge.
The hype man.
Hive man, and the camera woman.
Then the bee master.
Yeah, the beekeeper himself. That's the beekeeper himself.
Is it closed on that side?
Yeah, it's closed.
Here.
Yeah, it's closed.
Yes.
Easy.
Easy. Get up in place.
Wow.
How is it today? Today.
Now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm changing now.
Yes. Hold it.
Holding it.
Don't let it to follow. Fall is not is going one side.
Yeah.
Because if it falls, it will be just.
Yeah. Them bees are here. See them, they're here. They're everywhere. Get me. They're plenty. Look at this one black. They call them honeybees, yeah? But we good. We out here getting them swarms up, you get? Yeah.
So we have to leave this place now.
So you are living here now?
So, fortunately, I can see honey inside the box. That's the main thing I came here to do, to see if they are ripe for harvesting. So I'm not going to harvest now. Maybe sometime within the week I'll come back here to harvest. So for now we are going to go. I couldn't check all the fronts because of the cross combing, because since there's honey in the combs, if I start bringing them out, it's going to be messy. So it's better to leave them. When I'm ready for harvesting, then I will now cut off the comb and know that they are going to start afresh. But meanwhile, I'm going to remove this box from here to the second apiary that I'm going now, where I have like 6 boxes or 7 boxes there, 4 colonized. So I've not seen them ever since they got colonized. That was around August. So I'm going today to see them. I'll catch you there.